Hello humans. Today I will be telling you how to reach 0 Kelvin. Since I recently made a video on how to reach 10e plus 30 Kelvin, absolute hot, today I will be telling you how to reach temperatures on the other end as efficiently as possible. If you have watched my other video, you would know that the universe has in fact reached absolute hot before. But the universe has never reached absolute cold. This is because you would need to suck out every bit of energy and heat from a finite space in order to reach it, which would take an infinite amount of time. So before following this tutorial, keep in mind that it will take a lot of time. Anyways, the ingredients for this are a U-shaped tube, some pure liquid helium-3 and some pure liquid helium-4, and a pump. First, you have to dump the helium-3 and 4 liquids on each side of the U-shaped tube. But since helium-4 is heavier than helium-3, the helium-3 will get attracted. So now, the helium-4 side of the tube will also be about 6% helium-3. Next, you will have to use the pump to pump out the helium-3 from the helium-4. Doing this might seem impossible, but it is actually quite easy. This is because since helium-3 has a lower boiling point than helium-4, it will vaporize, if at the right temperature. This is kind of like how when you boil water with oil inside, only the oil vaporizes. After, drop the helium-3 from the pump into the original side. This will make a segment of the helium-3 side pure due to all of the helium-3 isotopes getting pumped there. But eventually, some helium-3 will get mixed with the helium-4, making it no longer pure. During this depurifying stage, it actually releases heat due to entropy. So eventually, you will get temperatures close to absolute zero. But again, this is impossible, like trying to reach zero by dividing a number. Anyways, that was my entire tutorial. Hope you found this helpful, and bye.